everybody, and welcome back to Rainbow Brush. My name is Brian, and today we are going to be drawing Little Brother's bedroom. So we're gonna have a really cool bedroom that we're gonna be drawing. Of course, we gotta start with the bat. Start drawing the walls, gotta have a bed in there, and make sure everything looks amazing. So make sure that you get up right now. Grab your pencils, grab your pens. Colored pencils actually be a really good choice of medium here. And you can get a piece of computer paper even. That's what I used to use when I was younger. I used computer paper to draw everything because it was always around. You see it coming together already? We have a bat lying against the wall and the bed, the pillow, everything's starting to come together, and we just started. As always, don't worry about making it perfect. It's okay. Sometimes the little mistakes make the best pictures, okay? So here we go. To make this 3D, all you have to do is make it look like a stick of butter or something. You gotta just draw those lines up and around and down. Make them look 3D. And you got yourself a bed. And of course the bottom, it's gotta be a little bit wavy so that it looks like sheets or something. Yeah. So if you would like here, you could actually draw like a little monster under the bed or something. I don't know, I'm just saying, you could draw something really cool under there. Or you could make it messy and put toys under the bed or around the bed on the floor. Of course, every single room has to have a picture of something on the wall. Heck, you could have a picture of this on the wall. So I have to ask, how was everybody's Thanksgiving? How did it go? Did you eat lots of food and fill your bellies? If you're from a country that has no Thanksgiving, let me know how your day was on the 22nd of November. And I know that date because it was my 10th anniversary. But I had to work that day. I had to work. That's okay though. Alright, so we're gonna have some really cool drawings up there. Make sure that this Little Brother's room is going to be fantastically decorated. So if you could have a dream room, anything you wanted in the entire world, what would it be? Would you have like a basketball court in your room or a bowling alley? Would it be filled with video games, or would it be a normal room with a bed and a desk and a window and a rug on the floor and some pictures on the walls? What would it be? How cool would it be to have a basketball gym inside your room, basically? Or like a half court or something? That'd be pretty awesome. On the other side, we're gonna make a window because we have to have light coming into the room, right? That's right. And you can add some lamps, you can add some shelves on the walls, anything you want. If you enjoy these videos, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. And of course, go back and watch all the other videos that we've done. We've done some fun ones. I think the dinosaur ones are still one of my favorites. Lots of superhero drawings, lots of princess drawings, and yeah, a little bit of everything. Look at this lamp that we're gonna draw. It's gonna be amazing. We're going to make it ruffly and have those lines, you know what I'm talking about? It's got the ruffly shade, and then a little bit of a circle at the bottom for the base. And of course, it's gotta be sitting on something, right? So we're gonna put it on a desk. You know what I think this room needs? Like a 70-inch plasma screen TV on the wall. What do you think? Of course, you gotta have some toys. What's a room without toys? Can't have a bat without a ball. How is your room turning out? Is it good? Let me know in the comments. I always love to see your drawings, and you know, they don't have to look exactly the same as this one. In the window, you can put some bushes on the outside, or you could put some streak marks, little black left or right diagonal marks to make it look shiny. Anything you want, really. It's your piece of art. You know what I I'd do if I were you? I would put Yoda from our other drawing laying in bed. How cool would that be? Have like Darth Vader standing over him, and have, instead of that bat, you could have like a lightsaber. That'd be kind of cool. We're gonna color some stuff in. We're gonna make it look amazing. This is my favorite part. Like I always say, coloring things in makes it come to life, pop out at you, and look amazing. I love coloring things in. Isn't it amazing what a little bit of shades of pink and blue and yellow and purple will do? So how many of you out there share a room with your siblings? I never had my own room when I was a kid. I always had to share with my brother, but I kind of liked it. I would jump in his bed at night and we would talk all night. And then I'd jump back in my bed when my parents would come in, and they'd come in and see me jumping in the bed. So there really was no point in that, but I always did that when I was a kid. Kind of fun. Now, is there anybody out there maybe you are the lone child, you don't have any other brothers or sisters, and you have your own room, or maybe there's a bunch of kids, and everybody has their own room. Or maybe it's just you, I don't know. Well, do you have your own room? Do you like it? Do you wish that you had someone to share the room with? And if you do share your room, how's that? I always liked it. You know, me and my brother were really close when we were growing up, so that was pretty cool. And we didn't mind sharing rooms. Sometimes we'd fight, just like all family fights. But yeah, it was pretty good. Look at all those colors together. Look at that bedroom. It is beautiful. Beautiful, shiny, starry, amazing. Well, guys, thank you so much for drawing this with me. I appreciate you being here. I love drawing with you. Thank you so much. As always, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel so you can see more videos. I hope you enjoyed this and had a lot of fun. I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.